So that's how you look at the data from the energy monitoring clip-on in isolation. But these energy monitoring clip-ons are typically installed as part of a line. So there'll be an additional sensor on a line. And we're going to want to be able to look at that data with the other data from the line so we can start to notice trends. To do that, you're going to come back to your lines tab and find the line where this energy monitor is attached to. In this case, it's going to be our coffee machine line here. We can then see on the live page, we're looking at the last 8 hours here. 55 cups have been produced, so we have a sensor, the main sensor for the line, counting the key KPI, the units produced. But because we have an energy monitor attached to this line, you're going to get this unit down here, your energy consumed, which is 0.9 kilowatt hours. And then, when you start to look at this on a shift or batch level, you'll be able to see, okay, how many units were produced and how much energy was consumed. So you can start to get a cost of parts produced in terms of how much energy that cost to produce. When we want to see the energy data in tandem with this graph data of the parts produced, you're going to want to come up to the sensors tab up here. Here you can see the different sensors on this line. So we can see the coffee counter, the power consumption, the vibration, all of these 3 separate metrics on this one machine or this one line. This is super useful to look at like this, just in separate so that you can kind of see a clear view of each. But if you actually want to see them overlaid, you come up here to the top right and unclick the Show Separated toggle. And then you're going to see all 3 of these data metrics laid on top of each other, which can make it super easy to analyze and spot anomalies. You can also then, of course, just zoom in on a particular period or look at a batch or a shift. Here you can see the vibration has been super high in comparison to this. That could be normal or it could be abnormal depending on your shift. But when you look at it overlaid like this, it becomes super easy to notice all of your different analog sensors and energy consumption in relation to your actual unit produced.